Flyboard Air. The Flyboard Air, created by French watercraft pioneer Frankie Zapata, merges the thrill of a jetpack with the smooth ride of a hoverboard. In 2016, it set a Guinness World Record for the farthest hoverboard flight, covering 2,252 meters. Capable of flying at altitudes up to 3,000 meters, it can exceed speeds of 200 km per hour. With the ability to carry up to 200 kilograms, it's powered by 5 turbines and can glide safely even if one engine fails. Alpha Jetman. Developed by Swiss pilot Yves Rossi, the Alpha Jetman is the result of over 2 decades of research into unaided human flight. This personal flying device features a wingsuit system with semi-rigid carbon fiber wings, spanning 2.4 meters. With 4 JetCat P550 turbines, it reaches speeds of 407 kilometers per hour and altitudes of 6,100 meters, offering around 13 minutes of flight time. Its lightweight design ensures durability and ease of control during flight. Jetpack Aviation JB10. The Jetpack Aviation JB10 is a high-performance jetpack powered by 2 specially modified turbojet engines. Each engine provides 200 pounds of thrust, allowing speeds of up to 193 kilometers per hour. An ultralight version is available without a pilot's license, while the full power version requires training and certification. This highly agile jetpack has gained international acclaim and is available for purchase. Starting price $250,000. Gravity Jet Suit. The Gravity Jet Suit, developed by Gravity Industries, allows the wearer to fly at speeds of 137 kilometers per hour for up to 10 minutes. Powered by 5 jet engines with a combined output of 1,050 horsepower, it provides controlled flights to altitudes of 3.6 kilometers. Made using 3D printing technology, it offers a lightweight design that balances power and ease of use. Control your movements by adjusting your arms to manipulate the engines. Starting price $443,000. Hoverbike Scorpion 3. The Hoverbike Scorpion 3 from Hoversurf combines motorcycle dynamics with quadcopter technology for an exhilarating flying experience. Its carbon fiber body is both lightweight and durable, making it suitable for use by professionals and amateurs alike. The hybrid battery allows for 40 minutes of flight in drone mode and can recharge in just 2.5 hours. Weighing only 114 kilograms, the Scorpion 3 delivers exceptional performance in a compact design. Martin Jetpack. Although still under development, the Martin Jetpack is generating excitement with its innovative features. It uses 2 ducted fans powered by a 200 horsepower V4 engine, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. The jetpack can fly for 30 minutes, reach speeds of 56 kilometers per hour, and ascend to altitudes of 910 meters. Its user-friendly controls and torque-neutral system make it easy to maneuver and stable in flight. Starting price $200,000. Kitty Hawk Flyer. The Kitty Hawk Flyer is a lightweight personal flying machine designed for low-altitude flights over water. Weighing just 115 kilograms, it can soar to a height of 3 meters and reach speeds of 32 kilometers per hour. With 10 battery-powered propellers, it can stay airborne for up to 20 minutes on a single charge. Tested over 25,000 times, it offers a unique floating experience above water with minimal controls.